Hello and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, my name is T, and for today's video I am doing a retwist and a simple little scarf style, and my hair currently is 4 weeks post retwist. So I'm starting off by just moisturizing my hair. This is hair that was washed about 2 days ago. And I'm using Talia Wedge's tight hold to retwist. And any product I use will be linked in the description if you are interested in trying it for yourself. As you see here, I start by just twisting the lock, and some of my locks have loose hair, so I'll wrap that hair around, mainly at the top of the lock, and then I just do a palm roll. And I'll be honest, clip placement is something that I need to work on. I'm realizing that as I watch and I edit this video, that's why my locks don't stay in place after I twist them. But you know, you live and you learn. And another thing is I am twisting most of my locks clockwise. There's just certain ones, like in certain places, I will twist it a different way depending on how I plan to style my hair. But all my locks are getting twisted clockwise, and I do not have one of those barber mirrors, so I really don't care about making sure my parts are perfect. And the whole purpose of retwisting is to keep your root from becoming one whole big lock itself. So I figured as long as I am keeping up with that, I am perfectly fine. And for the majority of my head, it really just takes like 1 to 2 palm rolls to get it tightened back up, honestly. And it's gotten a lot simpler since my hair has locked a lot more compared to in the beginning stages. I really couldn't palm roll, so that's one thing to note. Now here in the front, that's one of the pieces that I would twist counterclockwise just because of the way it would lay when I actually style my hair. That piece has a lot of loose hair, so I just wrap it around basically the base of the lock, and I only palm roll once because I like to keep my edges, and I pretty much do the same thing for all the pieces at the front of my head. As I was doing this, I actually ran out of Talia Wedge's tight hold, so I had to use this Super Grow, which is also a really good product to me. It kind of has an edge control consistency, and I really like it. So it really smooths down the hair in the front. It was kind of like a lose but then win situation. It's sad it has not been that long. It's probably been like 2 hours, if even that. I've gotten lazy, I guess. I ran out of both of my products, but it is okay. I have this aloe vera gel. If this still gives me hold and still looks nice, I might just switch to this altogether, because this definitely would cause little to no buildup. am so happy we made it, and I'm leaving these clips in until it dries a little more. Then I might put it into a ponytail kind of situation and have it back and put a scarf over it. Once my hair is fully air dried, I will show you guys the finished results. So I'll see you then. So here we are. This is the day after. This is how the retwist turned out. Now, I'm about to mist my hair just so I can manipulate it a little bit more before I go ahead and put it up in style, but I'm just saying I don't recommend wetting your hair and wrapping it up. I have learned the hard way about twice now that that is not the thing to do, but my hair dried by the time I put my scarf on after doing my edges anyways, so it ended up working out. So I'm getting my hair up as best into a ponytail as I can. I'm at a very awkward length at this point where it's kind of hard to get it to stay up there. Like as you see, the back pieces are out, but I just force them up by pushing the scarf there. And I did fold the scarf hot dog way completely. And then I'm taking out those two pieces in the front that I like to have crisscrossing, leaving one piece down and then wrapping the other one along the base of that high ponytail I have, taking out the scrunchie that was holding it and just fluffing out and spreading out the locks so that it can have a little more volume at the top and it's not just stuck looking as small as it was. And then I'm just taking the other side and just wrapping it around that base. And you can be creative with the way you wrap it to make it look however you want it to look. But it's simple, it's quick, it's cute. And yeah, that's pretty much it. And then I'm just misting my bangs because they're a little stiff. Make your final adjustments and voila. And that is the conclusion of this video. Do leave a comment down below if you liked it, give it a thumbs up, and also share it with anyone who may find it interesting. And I'll see you all next video.